Okay, now let's go, everybody. So here, letter E and letter F. E sound eh. F sound f. Okay, f. So E, eh, egg, egg, eh, earth, earth. Okay, eh, eh, envelope, envelope. Okay, envelope. Eh, eh,
Once
eggplant,
again,
eggplant. Eight, eh, eight. Okay, so letter F, f, fish, fish. Okay, f, fries, fries. F, fan, fan. F, fingers, fingers. F, fire, fire. F, four, four. F, flag, flag. F, five, five. Flower, flower. Okay, one more time, everybody. Let's go. E, egg. E, earth. E, envelope. E, eggplant. E, eight. Okay, so letter F. F, fish. F, fries. F, fan. F, fingers. F, fire. F, four. F, flake. F, five. F, flowers. Okay, flower. F.
Thank you for watching.